In this video, we're going to be talking about some emergency lighting applications. So I'm going to talk about the power pack version of this in this video and how it works with our ELED1 0 to 10 volt lighting controller. So this is a power pack product. It's got two wire looms on it and a small loop of wire coming out the side here. This small loop of wire here is intended to be cut and wired into a fire alarm or an emergency panel of some sort, or left uncut. So the two wiring looms, one is for normal power and one is for emergency power. This device is powered from the emergency electrical panel, so you're going to use the larger wires for your emergency power, and it's labeled here on the loom itself for emergency. You've got your black for your line in. Your gray wire here is your emergency power neutral, and the red wire is your load out to your emergency fixtures. The normal connection, the normal power connection, you have your white for your normal neutral, your black for your normal line, and a control sense input. Now this red wire is going to be connected to any lighting controllers that are controlling the normal lighting fixtures in the space, and where you want the emergency fixtures to track and operate simultaneously with those normal circuits. The line voltage is intended to be monitoring your normal power input. So in the event of a normal power loss, it's going to close its relay and force the lights on. Now the ELED1 is one of our newer products. It is UL 924 listed for use within emergency lighting fixtures. So these two operate very well together. In the case of normal power loss or an emergency condition, like I said, this will close its internal relay, and when this is connected to normal power and it's lost its power, it's going to force its dimming output into a high impedance state, which is going to force those emergency lights to full brightness. Relay closed, lights on, and the 0 to 10 volt line is going to force the lights to full brightness. Exactly what you want for an emergency condition. Now, in the event that you have emergency fixtures or controllers that don't have a UL 924 listed product, this is the emergency bypass relay that you would use. It's got an auxiliary contact here that you would use. You would wire in the dimming line, the purple line from your controller, and another purple line back out to your fixture. And so in the event of a power loss, this is going to open the relay, forcing that line into high impedance and your lights to full brightness. If you'd like any more information on these products or any other Echoflex products, please visit our website at echoflexsolutions.com.